straight back from where he's walking to the left.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There he is.
There's two of them.
He's looking at us.
What's he doing now?
He's walking away from us. Hold on. Yeah, he's walking away.
God dang it.
Yep, both jigs.
Where do you want him?
Yep.
That one to the right isn't a Jake, is it? The one looking. Looks like he's a bull bear.
No, he's short. No. He's short. They're all jigs.
What do you want to do?
I'll kill him if they come close enough.
Oh, look at them all. Oh my God. Pull that extruder. They're gonna go. I'm on him right there. That one full strut on the left. Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
Make sure you don't hit the blind. You're gonna hit the blind right there. You ready?
Yep.
shot. It was too close, so he couldn't help it. Congrats on the first one with Kansas. First Kansas. First Rio. I'm just so used to hunting Easters back home. He's nice and white too. I picked out a good one out of the whole flock there. I don't want one with like cream feathers. I think we're good. We got a whole bunch of jakes below this ridge still. I don't know what they're gonna do, but we're gonna keep on them. But I knew that if the jake came in, I was gonna kill him because I'm here to kill some birds. First Rio's laying dead. 20 yards from the blind. Ace in the hole. That was the end of our morning. Saw tons of birds, had tons of fun, but we're back in the same spot now this evening. Getting ready to hopefully shoot a big rail. See how it goes. Nothing showed up tonight. Well, a couple heads showed up, but they're obviously not roosting in this area at all tonight, so I don't know if we shot them all out or spooked them too much, but we're pretty good about it. We thought about not spooking any birds and letting them all work off before we left and got our birds, so I don't know. Tomorrow is another day. Well, kind of had a late start this morning. So we got the Avian X strutter out with the fan on it. And our goal today is just try to reap some birds. I don't know how it's gonna go. Got a bird gobbling over here right now, and there's a big drainage ditch that runs all the way right to them, so give her a try. Birds are really henned up, but brand new spot, new birds, haven't been hunted all season, so let's get after it. Well, just reaped a turkey. It's a Jake. Probably one of the coolest hunts I've ever had in my life. Came out in this field. There was one gobbler with him, going after him, and he chased after his hen. So we just started crawling out here, and all of a sudden, once you get within 50, 60, 80 yards of these things, they'll break and come right in. And that's what these things did, and I shot them probably 8, 10 steps away and shot them, and the other birds chased him down. I thought I drilled him and chased him down, beat them all up, and he got up, and now he's just laying down in these trees. So we're gonna sneak up there, but unreal. And cheap. I don't like to waste broadheads. So if we need to put a killing shot on this bird, I'm just gonna shoot him with the same one. Doesn't have an O-ring or nothing, but whatever. Good enough. Let's get him.
Okay, well, let's go get this thing done.
Yeah, they're over the hill now. That'll be perfect. We can just walk like all the way until we get on. Yeah, yep, that's gonna be perfect. Did you see that coyote up there?
Yeah.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty cool. Going up on the hill.
It's our second day here in Kansas. We're hunting some Rios. I shot a Jake yesterday. Tyler, he shot a Jake this morning. We've been after some toms. Finally, we got one to work. Perfect. He was gobbling about 200 yards away. Threw some calls at him. Some Jakes came out. Then he followed them. Oh my gosh, you could probably hear me breathing. I was so shook up. I don't usually get shook up. I was rattled. I couldn't even hold my bow straight. Yeah, just turn it on. Leave it. Don't push it a bunch of times. And then you just hit record. Right now? No. Should I put this? Oh, I see him. Gobbler. Don't move. Gobbler coming right in. Oh my god. Okay. Can I put this up? Yeah, but go slow. I can't see the just the Jakes. Turn the GoPro on and put it on top. Just touch it. Just the top. Yeah, the gobbler's coming in. You see? Yep, fast. Yep. He's looking at it. He's struck now. He's running in. He's running after. He's right there. Here, drop it. Yeah. Where's he going? He's at 74. He's kicking his feet. Yeah. He's at 75. 67. Just let him go, baby. He's coming to the decoy, I think. He's coming in closer. Watch your arms, dude. I know. He's at 46. he would have probably came in and beat up the decoy, but we've been hunting here hard for 2 days, and that's the first time I've had close, and he is a big one. And put the pin on him, squeezed it off, thought I drilled him, and he stood there like nothing happened. And he's just slowly walked off. So I threw another arrow at him and missed out of desperation because I suck. And I went and grabbed my arrow. There's blood on my wrap. There's blood on the fletchings, everything deployed right. But he just took off with the jakes. My buddy Matt, he's about 200 yards behind us. He just saw the 4 jakes. And he did not see the tom, so I am hoping that that thing found a brush pile over here and he's dead because he is a big old tom. Oh, I'm still shaking. I'm so rattled. I don't think I've ever been rattled like that from a turkey before ever in my life.
Spitting and drumming when
He comes in and he's just like drumming, spitting. Oh my gosh. That's why you turkey hunt. That's why you drive 13 hours to just go chase birds, because that was a rush. So we're gonna give him 2.5 hours or so. Probably wait till dark. See how the roost goes here, because there's a lot of birds in here. And Tyler and I, we're what? Huh?
You're out of arrows?
Oh, Tyler just reminded me that the only arrows I have left are ones for headshots. No, we're gonna sit here for, hold on. And just a cow up on the ridge. We're gonna sit here for, well, till dark. Tyler and I are gonna switch. He's got 1 tag left to fill. I hope I'm punched out. We're gonna try to call in another big tom for you guys. We still got about 2 hours to hunt, maybe 3, so hey.
Let's get after him.
Let's get after him. Let's call some more birds in. It's the first one that worked right. Beautiful bird. Hope we find him. He's big. All right, well, here we go. So Tyler and I got in the blind here tonight, about 3:30 or so. This bird decided to come in around 5 o'clock. Didn't know it at the time. Tyler said he had it, but I didn't believe him. This is definitely the biggest turkey I probably ever shot score-wise. I've got about I don't know, 1.25 inch spurs, and he's double bearded. So that's kind of a nice little surprise, nice little treat. He worked perfect. We haven't had a bird do this all week. He gobbled probably 200 yards away right away when we got here. And we called at him, and it took him about an hour, but he worked his way over to our field. Strutted up. He came right to the Jake decoy, and I put the smack down at him at 22 yards or so. Oh, went to go get him, and he took off running, so Tyler and I chased him across the field into the creek. Had to put a second arrow into him, but oh, tough bird. Definitely best turkey experience of my life right there. So tomorrow morning we're going to get up. I think we're going to set up with Tyler shooting. He's got 1 tag left, and we're going to look for another tom like this. Yeah, let's go get some dinner. Got about a half-mile walk out of here, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Tyler is going to pick up his bird.
Yep. Got a dead one laying about 40 yards, I'd say.
Made a sweet shot.
The guide over here was calling him in. He couldn't even call him on the right side.
Sorry, buddy. All I could do is range him. I couldn't even range the toms because, like, by the time I could range where they're going to be at, they're going to be gone or whatever.
Yeah.
So I just ranged where the hens are crossed, and I said, 28.
Yep. You know, I get pretty excited after I kill a deer and all. Especially a 300, 400-inch deer, I mean.
Yeah.
But when you shoot a tom turkey like that,
Yeah, that's exciting.
Pete was telling a story. Did you hear tell you a story about his 99-year-old mother-in-law who died? So his mother-in-law died like, I think it was in like November or December. When she was like 99. And she is like, you know, she was old, senile, didn't know anybody or whatever. And so they're at the funeral, and
just to the left of that, I can't see it right
I can't see it. I think he's below that hill.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Oh yeah.
There, one pitch down. There's the other one.
Yep.
are they right on the edge?
Yeah, they're coming down in.
see them. They're coming down. Yeah, I see them now. I was looking in the wrong spot. Oh, this could be good. You want me to range them for you?
There's like 30 that just came down.
Is there?
Yeah, they're all scattered over here.
Oh, yeah.
I got them all coming down.
Yeah.
There's the other one. There's another one.
Oh my God.
There's some strutters.
Oh yeah.
You can't even hear them gobble when they gobble. But there he went.
So yeah, that first wooden post is 18 yards.
The hens are going the other way.
Okay. Can I grab some of your water?
Yeah.
These two are coming, I think. Thanks.
There's like 4 or 5 hens going to the right. And there's some toms here walking.
Those toms are coming straight at us. Those front two, I think, are the biggest toms. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna let them keep coming for now.
Yeah.
Because they were kind of turned that way, but then I called and then they kind of started walking. So I'm just gonna let them keep coming. But if they turn, I'll start pulling them again. I'm kind of nervous about this fence. Don't shoot across the fence. Don't. No. Here, take my chair.
Well, no, I'm gonna get down where Jesse is. But my knees, I think.
Okay, what do you think? Let's go. Keep the blind up. Blind ain't gonna move.
look at the camera. Just get ready. Just don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. Just get ready. Okay. You're gonna have when they cross the fence. Come on, stop them. What are they? Like 28. Hit them, like drill them. Fucking drill them. Let's go down. Okay. Okay, just leave them alone. Just leave them alone. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just leave them. Just leave them. It's okay. Okay. Okay, you might want to hit him again. Just knock another arrow. Knock another arrow. I don't know if I can. I'm shaking too bad. Okay, just knock another arrow. Just take your time. We'll wait till you can shoot. He's done. Oh yeah. He's done. Just let him sit. Nice job, buddy. Thank you. Last morning, Kansas. Sweet. Awesome. Oh my god. I was having a hard time reading them. It's like, those other guys are moving it. Last morning. Things one of those ends where they're across. I'm like, alright, 28. So you're just gonna have to hold a little bit higher. Dude. Last morning. Last morning. Oh, dude.
2-inch rage really opened him up. Look at the blood, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the hooks on this baby. Jeez. It was our last morning in Kansas this morning. We only had probably 2-3 hours to hunt. Had a huge storm roll through last night, and lightning, thunder, was raining when we got out here, pouring rain, setting up the blind. Got 3 hen decoys out and it was pouring, and these birds were gobbling back here behind me in the corner, and they were gobbling pretty good, pitched down into the field just like yesterday when we were set up down there, and pitched down and came right by us. The hens brought them right by us. Matt was calling, and just ended up being a perfect morning, and we just punched our last tag in Kansas so we can go home.